Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Marcus app and revoke linked payment methods, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Marcus app from your device, start by locating the app icon on your home screen. If you are using an Android device, tap and hold the app icon until a menu appears. From the menu, select the option that says Uninstall. Confirm your choice when prompted to remove the app. If you are using an iPhone, tap and hold the app icon until it begins to jiggle. Look for the small X that appears in the corner of the app icon. Tap the X to initiate the uninstallation process. Confirm your choice to delete the app when prompted. Now that the app is uninstalled, you'll want to revoke any linked payment methods for security. Open your web browser and go to the Marcus by Goldman Sachs website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings or Payment Methods section. Look for any linked payment methods associated with your account. Select the payment method you wish to revoke. Follow the prompts to remove the selected payment method from your account. Make sure to save any changes before you exit. After revoking the payment methods, log out of your account for security. Recheck your device to ensure the app has been completely removed. You've now successfully uninstalled the Marcus app and revoked linked payment methods. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.